A wet carpet is a ticking time bomb for foul odors. If you do not act immediately, that spilled water or minor leak will quickly turn into a permanent, sour mildew smell. Time is critical. You have a strict maximum of 48 hours to get the carpet completely dry before mold and bacteria begin to grow and release those terrible, musty smells. Do not rely on regular towels. Use a heavy-duty wet-dry vacuum to extract as much standing water as possible. Move slowly across the wet area, pressing down firmly to pull water from deep within the fibers. The carpet padding underneath acts like a thick, dense sponge. If the padding is completely saturated, it will trap water against the subfloor and rot. In severe cases, the padding must be pulled up and discarded. If you can safely do so, lift the wet section of the carpet off the floor. Prop it up with pieces of wood or plastic blocks to allow air to circulate both above the carpet and directly underneath it. Standard ceiling fans are not enough. Bring in high-velocity floor fans or commercial air movers and aim them directly at the wet spot. Keep them running constantly to accelerate the evaporation process. As the fans blow the moisture into the air, a dehumidifier is absolutely essential to pull that dampness out of the room. This prevents the heavy humidity from settling back into the carpet. Once the carpet feels mostly dry to the touch, sprinkle a generous layer of baking soda over the entire area. Baking soda naturally absorbs lingering microscopic moisture and neutralizes trapped odor-causing bacteria. Leave the baking soda on the carpet for several hours, or ideally overnight. The longer it sits, the more odor it absorbs. Afterward, vacuum the area thoroughly with a standard dry vacuum cleaner. Never use hair dryers, space heaters, or steam cleaners on a wet carpet. High heat can actually bake the foul odors permanently into the synthetic fibers and even melt the carpet backing. Do not let a wet carpet ruin your home with permanent, stubborn odors. For professional water extraction and rapid structural drying, call the experts immediately at 619-4499-611 or visit at goldcoastflood.com.